Hello friends, we see the different topics in the last unit of the power electronics. The first topic, that is the light dimmer using triac. Here in the first circuit diagram is to be drawn. It consists of the lamp load, that is the lamp load. Here variable resistor are capacitor C, dioc and triac. This dioc and triac, these are the power electronic devices which operate for both the positive voltage, and these are the positive voltage and negative voltage. These are the bidirectional devices. Here the input voltage is the AC input voltage, and it consists of two half cycle, positive half cycle and a negative half cycle. Now in the diagram 2, here during the positive half cycle of the input voltage, terminal A is positive with respect to B. Current flow through the variable resistor R and charges the capacitor with the upper plate positive and lower plate negative. Similarly, this positive voltage can make the MT2 positive with respect to MT1, and this triac is in the forward blocking mode. But it doesn't to be on. Here. When the capacitor is to be charges towards the input voltage here, but when the voltage across this capacitor is equal to the breakdown voltage of this dioc, here dioc is to be suddenly on, and all the voltage across this capacitor is applied to the gate terminal of the triac, and triac is to be immediately turned on. The conducting triac is equivalent to closed switch, so the R, C and dioc is short circuited, and the circuit is just like this. Current flow through the load in this direction here. This is the circuit operation during for the positive half cycle. Now we see the circuit operation for the negative half cycle. For the negative half cycle, here the terminal B is positive with respect to A here, and that current flow through the capacitor and the variable resistor R here. Capacitor triac is also in the forward blocking mode here. Capacitor C starts charging with the upper plate positive and lower plate negative. When during this process, when the voltage across the capacitor is equal to the breakdown voltage of this dioc, at that instant dioc is to be turned on, and all the voltage across the capacitor is applied to the gate terminal of the triac, and triac is to be suddenly turned on, and here acts as a closed switch, so R, C and dioc is short circuited, and circuit is just looks like shown in the figure 5 here. Now we see the its circuit operation with the help of these waveforms. This is the positive input voltage. It consists of the positive half cycle, negative half cycle. For the positive half cycle, we say that here is the capacitor C is voltage across the capacitor is equal to the breakdown voltage of the dioc, and the triac is to be on when the voltage of the capacitor is applied to the triac, and this dioc acts as the triggering device for the triac, and hence at the firing angle alpha, triac is to be on and remains to be on up to the pi. Again, after the completion of the positive half cycle, during the negative half cycle, triac is to be off, but at the instant pi plus alpha, again the dioc is to be on, and voltage across the dioc capacitor is applied to the gate, and hence here the triac is to be on. But during this negative instant, the current flow through the lamp is in the opposite direction, and in this way here, up to this 2 pi, the triac is to be up to the from pi plus alpha to 2 pi, triac is to be on, but at the instant 2 pi, triac is to be off, and this process is to be repeated here. The control circuit operates directly on the AC voltage. It is automatically synchronized with the supply, and because of this reason here the lamp is to be on, but we have to now control the intensity of the lamp, And how the intensity of the lamp is to be controlled? Simply by changing the resistance of this resistor. When we increase the value of the resistor, we increase this firing angle and the less output voltage is to be available, and because of this reason it reduces the intensity of the lamp. But if we decrease the value of this R, here value of the alpha can be, or the firing angle can be decreases, and the output voltage available is to be large, and hence at that instant here the intensity of the lamp is going to be increases. In this way we can control the intensity of the lamp simply by changing the resistance of this variable resistor, and because of this reason it is called as a light dimmer using triac and diac. Thank you.